My question for you today is, do you have the grit, the willpower, the stick-to-itiveness to truly have that amazing monster career you've always dreamed about? Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Do you have what it takes to have the career you really dreamed of? The one when you first thought about going into business for yourself, that idea with the vacations, the savings, the future, the retirement, the everything that came with what you wanted to do. Do you have what it takes? The majority of people don't, and that's why the majority of people will settle for good. Do you have the grit to take it to great? I know you do. Everyone has it inside of them. If you dig down deep and find what motivates you, find that today and become that person that will do the work day in and day out, because you know you're doing it for a reason. You have that goal in mind and you are not gonna let anything get in the way. If you love helping people, if you love just helping as many people as possible, it'll be that much more easy to attain your goal. The more people you help attain their goal, the faster you'll attain yours. But my challenge for you is stick to it. Whatever your schedule is, whatever your business plan was, whatever it is, don't let anything come in the way of your goal, your future, your life. You got this. Have an awesome day.